Introducing the Ultra XTR Above Ground Pool, the toughest above ground pool. Extra strong 3-ply puncture resistant liner and optimized frame design combined with high quality galvanized steel enhance the overall quality, durability, and stability. And the inner and outer powder coating provides powerful protection against rust. 53% stronger than regular metal frame pools, making this the leader in its class. Easy to assemble frame components that simply snap together with no tools needed and be ready in no time. Equipped with crystal clear sand filter pump and hydro aeration eliminates the need for cartridges, making it easy to maintain. 2-year limited warranty guarantees a peace of mind pool ownership. The premium Ultra XTR Pool. Add summer fun and beauty to any backyard. It's the toughest above ground pool, period.